Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming identity and connectivity so the process is quick. Once you have your account number, registered mobile, email, and a valid ID, open the official BPI app or website. Make sure the app is updated and your device is on a secure network. Then try basic steps first. Log out fully, clear the app cache or browser cookies, and restart the app. These simple resets often restore access when the issue is a temporary session or token mismatch. Next, reset credentials and complete identity verification to unlock access. Use the forgot password link and request an OTP to your registered mobile. This proves ownership. Once you receive the OTP, enter it promptly, answer any security questions, and set a new strong password. Include letters, numbers, and symbols. If multi-factor authentication in the app keeps failing, switch to phone banking while on a secure line and request customer service to complete. If remote steps don't work, escalate and complete final checks to finish unlocking. Go to a nearby BPI branch with your valid ID and proof of address so staff can manually verify and re-enable access. Alternatively, call the official BPI hotline from your registered number and request escalation to a specialist. They can perform additional identity checks and reset your profile. If you still don't get OTPs, make sure the registered mobile number is correct. Check SMS blocking or DND settings, and try again on a stable network.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.